Maureen, what have you been making? And tell us more about what's on your design.
Well, this is my second plant, what do you call it? Plant?
Ornament, I call it, I
Ornament.
guess.
And
Garden stake.
plant stake, yes, that's perfect. And this is a bumblebee with a flower, and there are just so many bees on my California lilac right now. They're loud with sound. And I just wanted to put that together and keep it.
That's a good bee. Did you have fun?
Oh, this is the most fun work ever. It's so good. It's so good to just forget about everything else and create.
Wonderful. Well, you've done an awesome job. I can't wait to see that in a pot. Send a picture. Stay tuned, everyone, that after it's finished being fired, it will look different.